Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we are given the equations of 4 lines, and we're told the graph of which of the following equations would have a slope of 3. So, these equations are all in slope-intercept form, right? Where we have y is equal to mx plus b, where m is just a constant and b is just a constant. The only one that doesn't look like that is a, but that's just because there's a plus 0. B is 0 in this case. So in these equations, what does m and b represent? Well, b is sort of the easier one to figure out. If x is equal to 0, then y is equal to m times 0 plus b. M times 0 is just 0, so 0 plus b. Therefore, y is equal to b. So b is the value of y when x is equal to 0. Therefore, b is the y-intercept. What does m equal to? Well, m is the slope, right? It's the rate of change of y over x. To illustrate how that's the case, let's take y when x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to m times 1 plus b, which is just m plus b. And when x is equal to 2, y is equal to m times 2 plus b, which is equal to 2m plus b, which is equal to m plus b, right? And when x is equal to 0, just to complete the pattern, y is equal to m times 0 plus b, which is just b. So you notice every time we add 1 to x, we get another m. So you go from b to m plus b, to m plus b. So from 0m's to 1m to 2m, that's the rate of change. So when we're saying our rate of change, our slope, is 3, we are just looking, when we're in slope-intercept form, when is the rate of change, when is that m value going to be equal to 3, and then you just have to look through and say, okay, C is the only one with that option, and that's going to be your final answer. Now, if you had just looked at this equation, or at this problem, and said, okay, this is really obvious, that's m, that's 3, that's fine, but I think it's a little helpful if this is a problem that you were struggling with to understand why that's the case. But either way, as always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.